All right, so let's get into it. We're going to go over a couple of different financial charts in this video. We're going to go over the waterfall chart and a funnel chart, which are both great for this income statement that we have set up in front of us. So we're going to highlight the entire table that we have, and we're going to go to our insert tab in our ribbon. Then we're going to go to the insert waterfall, and then we have two options. So right there's the waterfall chart, then underneath is the funnel chart. And if you scroll over it, you kind of see exactly what they do for you. But to get started, we're going to click on the funnel chart. And it shows the different totals that we have for each line item. And it just shows, right, the way we have broke down our revenues, the greatest thing that we have. So you see our revenues is the biggest bar. Then we have our gross profit under it. So after subtracting our cost of goods sold, we have our gross profit. Then we have our EBITDA after subtracting our operating expenses. And then so you see it's not showing any of our negatives, it's just showing our positives. And you kind of see how much is left at the end with this net income at the end. So you can see from our revenue, how big the bar is to go down all the way to the net income, and see how you can see how it's diminishing from all the different expenses that you have. And it gives you just a way to visualize all the data. So now we're going to once again highlight our data, go back to our insert. Now we're going to go use this waterfall chart. So we're looking at the waterfall chart, and we can see kind of, so first we want to right click this, our first bar, and we're going to set that as a total. And we're going to set it as total. So we're going to set all of our positive as totals. So we're just right clicking on all of our bars and we're setting those as totals. So now when we look at the chart, we can see our total revenue, and then we have our first expense, our cost of goods sold. So you see that decrease, and then you can see it to the gross profit, then the next decrease of our operating expenses. So that we'll have our EBITDA, then you can see these decreases, and so on and so forth. And it gets all the way till we get to finally our net income. So the orange bars are the decreases, and it shows you the decrease to the next kind of line item. So revenue to gross profits and things like that. Then as always, we could change the chart styles if you want, just change it up. But those are your funnel and your revenue charts, or your funnel and your waterfall charts, excuse me. And they're great charts for simple financial calculations, and they give you a great visualization.